Ever placed a stop loss, watch price tap it perfectly, and then reverse straight back into your direction? That's not bad luck, that's liquidity. Today I'm breaking down liquidity pools and external range liquidity, the two things smart money is actually targeting when price moves. Once you see this, you'll never look at a chart the same way again, and at the end I'll show you something on PU Prime that genuinely helped me when I was learning this stuff. Let's get into it. Quick disclaimer, all information here is not financial advice, it is for educational purposes only. Okay, here we are guys on the PU Prime website, and we're going to get straight into it and go on to Web Trader. Liquidity in simple terms is just resting orders. It's stop losses, it's pending orders, it's anywhere a load of traders have placed something that needs to be filled. And here's the thing, big players, the institutions, they need liquidity to enter their positions. They can't just buy a million lots into thin air. There's no one to take the other side. So they go to where the orders are. They go hunt liquidity. Okay, here we are on the chart. We're on EU. This right here is equal highs, 2 or 3 peaks at roughly the same level, and every breakout trader looking at this is putting a buy stop just above 2. So what's sitting up there? A pool of liquidity. That's what's sitting right above these equal highs, a massive cluster of orders just waiting to get triggered. And it's the same thing on the downside, equal lows. Again, they're not going to be dead equals the majority of the time, but they're still there and they are targets. The market is magnetized to them. Equal lows, stop losses from every long trader and sell stops from every breakout trader. Another pool of liquidity just waiting to get triggered. Yeah, as you can see, price has created these equal lows. It's come up and it's created these equal highs. It's then come down, taken all this liquidity down here, and then come back up, and it's taken all this liquidity up here. Now let's level up. Okay, so external range liquidity, or ERL, is just a posh way of saying the high and low of a range. Okay, here's a high, which is external range liquidity, and another high right there. All right, price moves between these 2 points, and on the outside of both, that's where everyone's stops live. Above the high, below the low. That, in simple terms, is external range liquidity. And again, we have this external range liquidity right here, below the lows, below the lows, below the lows. That's all price is doing. It's moving and it's taking liquidity from lows, and then it moves back, taking liquidity from highs, balancing the market, moving between orders. That's all price is doing, and that's all price does. Right, watch this. Price runs up, takes the high, wicks through, and then reverses right back down. That wick, that's a liquidity sweep. The institutions just use the breakout traders' orders to fill their own short positions. This is why so-called fakeouts aren't actually fake. They're the whole point. The market needed that liquidity to fuel the real move right down here. So, how do you actually use this? 2 ways. 1, stop putting your stops where everyone else is, right? If you're long, don't stick your stop right under the obvious low. Tuck it deeper or use a structural stop. You're basically painting a target on your back otherwise. 2, wait for liquidity to be taken before you enter. If price hasn't swept that high or that low yet, the move probably isn't ready. Patience pays here. As you can see right here, what happens? Price comes up, sweeps, then drops down. So you're either going to put your stop loss like way above, okay, or you're going to wait for a little bit of confirmation, which is what I do. You wait for that sweep, okay, then you'll wait for that breaking structure, and it'll be a lot clearer on a lower time frame. You see the breaking structure is just here. Wait for that breaking structure, wait for price to come all the way back up. It tests this little thing here called a little order block, and then it drops down. And multiple ways that you can get into that trade. You can just set your trade just here for price to come up, tap into it, and then drop down, and you take it to the low. Simple. If trading feels confusing and inconsistent, maybe you just need a clearer direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without unnecessary noise. Here's what you can expect. Carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry, take profit and stop loss levels, straight to the point market insights, signals built around discipline and risk control. No exaggeration, no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on analysis. Even better, they provide a 7-day free trial so you can evaluate the signals yourself before making any decision. Stay focused, follow structure, trade with the plan. Try the Signaler.com today. Now, let's continue with the video. Right, so when I was first learning this stuff, liquidity, ERLs, all of it, I'll be honest, it took me a while to actually see it consistently. And one thing that genuinely helped was being able to follow traders who already knew what they were doing. This is PU Prime's copy trading section. You can browse different strategies, see their performance, see how they're trading, and you can mirror them on your own account if you want. Now, I'm not saying just blindly copy people forever. That's not how you learn. But watching a trader's entries play out in real time while you're studying liquidity concepts on your own, it just speeds up the process. You see the theory and the application side by side. And as you can see right here, you've got your top traders and you have your highest annual return, low risk and high win rate. You've got 150,000 copiers, 6 million plus successful copy traders, and 32,000 signal providers, all here, all their returns. Look, insane yearly returns, 351%, 145%. So if you're thinking of kicking off your trading whilst you're learning all your liquidity concepts, just hook yourself up to PU Prime's copier. So, quick recap. Liquidity is just orders resting in the market. Equal highs, equal lows, the high and low of a range. That's where they sit. Smart money targets those pools to fill their positions, which is why price loves to sweep them and reverse. Stop putting your stops where everyone else does and wait for liquidity to be taken before you enter. That's it. If you found this useful, smash the like button and let me know in the comments what you want me to break down next. See you in the next video.